If you want incredible flamingo colonies and peaceful mangrove life, but without the crowds or big tourist energy of other Yucatan destinations, there's a sweet spot most people overlook. Rio Lagartos. Welcome to Real Expat Finance, practical budgets and relocation plans for Americans and Canadians moving south safely and affordably. Today I'm sharing why Rio Lagartos has become one of the most peaceful and nature-rich little towns in the Yucatan. It sits on the northern coast of Yucatan, right along the edge of the Rio Lagartos Biosphere Reserve. That location is perfect. You can enjoy a quiet, authentic fishing village life, most days, surrounded by incredible wildlife, while still having the option to reach bigger towns when you want. Rio Lagartos is a true small fishing town, smaller, calmer, and much more authentic. The waterfront is lined with fishing boats instead of giant resorts. The streets are quiet, the pace is slow, and nature lovers absolutely adore it. You can spend your mornings walking along the river, your afternoons on a boat through the mangroves, or your weekends exploring the nearby salt flats and wildlife. For more active days, there's plenty to do. You can take guided boat tours to see thousands of flamingos in their natural habitat, kayak or boat through the mangrove canals, visit the famous pink salt flats at Las Coloradas for a mud bath, or go bird watching in one of Mexico's most important biosphere reserves. It's the kind of place where you can be as relaxed or as immersed in nature as you want without ever feeling overwhelmed. Here's my realistic monthly budget for a single person in 2026 living comfortably in Rio Lagartos, all in US dollars approximate. Rent, $500 to $750 for a nice 1 to 2 bedroom house or apartment near the water, many with river views or a little patio. Utilities, electricity, water, fast internet, gas, $70 to $130. Groceries and household, $220 to $320. Local markets and incredibly fresh seafood, keep costs reasonable. Dining out and entertainment, $110 to $220. Fresh catches at local spots are excellent and affordable. Transportation, $50 to $80. Everything in town is walkable, and local moto taxis are cheap. Total monthly, $950 to $1,500 for a comfortable life, often hundreds less than living in more developed coastal towns, while still having access to one of the best natural experiences in the Yucatan. What stands out most is how safe and peaceful it feels. The town has a strong local community of fishermen and families, and the residential areas are calm. It's the kind of place where people actually live year-round. Finance tip. The lower cost of living here compared to bigger tourist towns gives you real flexibility. The extra money every month can go toward boat tours, nature experiences, or building your investment accounts, instead of disappearing into higher rent. This is based on current research and reports from expats and travelers as of 2026, not financial advice. Costs and situations change. Always do your own research and decide what feels right for you. If this video made you curious about Rio Lagartos, hit like and subscribe. We'll keep exploring more hidden natural spots in the Yucatan. Comment below. Would you rather live in a quiet, nature-focused fishing town like Rio Lagartos or somewhere with more amenities and restaurants? I'll reply. Thanks for watching Real Expat Finance. Safe travels and smart moves.